This is a quick update. The assembly of the printers is going as scheduled, so those who have pre-ordered them should receive them on time. Second, we have tried a new material for the crucibles, ceramic. It doesn't burn in the kiln, so it should probably last much longer. And also it doesn't have a large thermal expansion of the stainless steel. So with the stainless steel we saw about 2% increase in the horizontal size and about 2% shrinkage in the vertical size. With the ceramic crucibles we don't see that. So this part was printed in this crucible, and as far as I can measure, I don't see any distortions. Though I do see something else here. There is some very thick mill scale, which is hard to take out. The third piece of news is that we have tried to print copper, iron, nickel, and it worked. So now we can add more materials to what we can print with. So this is mostly copper, has some iron, and maybe some nickel and maybe some oxygen. So this is like a heatsink or heat exchanger. It has those fins, and it has a spiral hole in the center. Let me show you. It has a few defects. So this looks like it has caused by the presence of the oxygen. We need to get more pure source materials to see how that works without it. And this one is, I dropped it on the concrete floor, so it bent. I tried to straighten it, but it still has some kind of marks left. So, and the copper, unlike carbon steel, is very malleable. So if you drop it, it will bend.